Not too bad yet for the blizzard of 2013. Oh no, Mr. Bill. It's a moving. It's freezing. I'm freezing my balls off. Get me out of the snow. No. Okay, Mr. Bill. I'll be right there. Hurry up. Get me out of this. My nuts are freezing. Oh. Oh, it's windy. Oh, somebody help me. Oh, no. Look, the snow is burying me. Oh, it's an avalanche. Oh, somebody help me. Where's a squirrel? Somebody get a squirrel. Help me find my nuts. Oh. Oh my God, Mr. Bill, you look like you're in rough shape. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Please help me. Give me a St. Bernard. Help me. Oh no. Oh, Mr. Bill. Oh no, somebody help me, I fell in the snow. I'm up to my neck in snow. No, this isn't funny. Oh no. Oh, I'll never pick on Frosty the Snowman again. Oh no, help me, I feel like an ice cube. Oh, goodbye world. Oh, I'm in deep shit. Oh, I think you're crazy. You must be nuts. Out of your freaking mind to be out in this kind of weather. What is wrong with you people? Stop! Go away! No! Blizzard of 2013! Oh! Look out the window! Oh my God! Oh my God! Hey, get off my ass! What are you doing? Oh! Oh, let me out! Oh, Mr. Bill! Oh, Mr. Bill, it's just a snowstorm. Oh, makes me crazy! Makes me crazy! No! Oh no! I'm just little, and the snow scares me. Oh, nobody cares about me. Oh, makes me crazy, crazy. Hi, Mr. Bill. Isn't this snow a lot of fun? No, it's freezing out here. Oh, come on, Mr. Bill. Weren't you ever playing in the snow when you were a kid? Let's have a snow fight, Mr. Bill. No, I don't like snow fights. Oh, no. Not a snowball fight. Oh, that ain't funny. Somebody help me. Call the cops. Call the cops. Oh, no.